guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So today I have this Melodysusie box, which is their SM200F nail drill, and this is their newest nail drill launch. So let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Okay, so first of all you see this thanks for your order and your support is invaluable to us. Hope you delighted with your new purchase. And here are their social media handles, and this is their instruction manual how to use this nail drill. So we'll show you step by step, which is always great. This is their warranty information, and we'll show you how to apply for the warranty. So that's very handy. And here is the best part. This is their beautiful nail drill. So let's unbox this now. This looks so cute. Oh, look at this. It's nice pink color, so shiny with some gold. I really like pink and gold together. It's got a nice clip here, and here is the button to do on and off. So you see on and off here. Let me show you this way. So you see on and off button. This is speed max, and that's the cord where you put in the cord, and this is for their charging. Okay, and now next one is the handpiece, which is very nice. I like the color pink and gold again. It's got a nice click, lock and unlock feature. That's that. Let's see what's here. Okay, so here they have given the cord, so let's put it on. So we put this here, and the next one will go right there. Okay, so now we have the cord on. The next one I see is their medium size drill bit with safety top, which is very nice. Next one I see here is this the handpiece holder, which is gonna go, so it's all just on the one side. It's gonna go, oops, yeah, right there. So you put your handpiece like that, so clean. Next one, they give you the adapter, which is amazing, because in the previous Melodysusie nail drill they don't give you the adapter. They always give you this for sure. So yeah, you put this here and you charge it. Okay, so the next one is also the medium drill bit, which is not the safety top, so you have to be very careful with this. You don't want to cut them. Next one is their standard cuticle bits. So the ball bit, the smoother, and the flame bits, and also the mandrel. Here they have given some sanding bands. Looks like 180 grit, because looks like very fine. Okay, so that is all in the box. So let's open this plastic on top and look at the shine. So shiny, so pretty. And so here is their forward and reverse, and this one is their play and pause. So okay, so this is 35 RPMs. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can see here it's got 35 RPMs, and it shows forward, and if you press reverse it shows reverse. Okay, and then you're gonna pause it. You pause it and then you start again, and it's very like lightweight. There's hardly any vibration. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do it again. You can hear it. So it's on. So it's very lightweight, and it's also, there is no vibration at all, and looks like it's gonna do a good job. So now I'm gonna turn it off, And here's your compact nail drill from Melodysusie. It's so cute, guys. And they have other colors too. I've seen they have white and pink buttons, and there's a few more. But they sent me this one and I'm really enjoying it. I love pink and gold. And yeah, I really like it. So everything is mentioned in the description box below, all the direct links of this nail drill, my coupon code, so you can click that and go to the website and purchase this, so you will save some money on their products. So do check it out. So I'm gonna do the removal with this e-file and the nail drill bit that they gave. My nails are overgrown, and yeah, this one is broken too. They're in a bad condition. They're over 4 weeks. I think they're 5 weeks now. So yeah, I'm gonna put this into a test and see how well it removes my gel nail. And I'm just gonna do one nail and show you how it removes. So I'm gonna turn my dust collector on, because of obviously you don't want to inhale all the dust, and make sure you wear a mask. So I'm gonna do the forward. So I'll do like 30 rpms, and this is the forward setting. So yeah, let's start removing it. So as you can see, you did a good job removing the gel. So I had this builder gel with glitter, so I'm not removing all the way. I'm gonna go with the sanding band. But yeah, I did a pretty good job. As you can see, it debulked my nail, and now I just need a nice smooth finish to it. So yeah, I really like it, and there was no heat when I was removing it, so it's just not like it was burning or anything, and it glides pretty smoothly when I was filing. And I was running the e-file for 30 rpms, so yeah, it's the highest. And yeah, I did a good job. I'm really impressed with that. So that's all for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.